So, there you go mga bossing. Hello, hello. So, welcome back to Boy Bukas Toy Box. And this time we're going to open my toy box. And we're going to grab another cool toys from Bandai. At this time, at syempre, this is part of the Heroes Brave statue figure. Ultraman New Generation Trigger. Look at that. And this one is the Sunset Glow edition. This one is really cool. So yeah, so this is a statue figure, not an action figure. So this one will stay in this pose. So nothing special about it, I guess, but the glow edition make it really cool and makes me more excited. Tara mga bossing, let's unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, here we go mga bossing. This is the Ultraman New Generation Trigger. At syempre, bubuksan na natin to. It's time for Pyramid time! Okay, there you go. So I thought it's already like in full figure, so I guess medyo nahati ang katawan niya. At ito yung kanyang pinaka-stand. Look at that. Okay. Ooh, so it's kinda like rubberized. So I guess it's, I'm not too sure if it's rubber or vinyl. You know, Japanese like vinyl more than rubber. So, I mean, it really looks cool. Oh man. So, ito yung kanyang famous pose, syempre, di ba? So, assemble na natin. That's it. That's easy. So, yung parang pin sa likod. Yung kanyang pinaka-stand. So, yan. Diyan lang nilalagay yan. At mapapatayo na natin siya. So, usually, dito siya. Ito, yan, mas mukhang forma dito siya dito. So, I guess, diyan natin siya dapat ilagay para tumayo. Okay. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, so I think it's working like that. So, it's really nice. Saka yung pinaka-scalp niya, kahit medyo gano'n siya talagang, I mean, yung kulay niya dahil transparent siya with like parang glitters inside, right? Tapos medyo paint lang ng white yung kanyang pinaka-eye. Pero overall, yung kanyang sculptured, scalp sa kanya is very detailed. See if you can see that, right? Ay, ito mo, parang pinaka niya dito, hati niya, maganda oh. So, okay, so dahil medyo transparent ang kulay niya, I think it's nice to yung parang ano natin siya ng ilaw sa likod, or siguro pinaka-style niya parang ganon. So let's turn off the light and we'll see. So yan, parang kung meron siyang ilaw sa likod, or kasi mag-ano yung kanyang ilaw no? Parang gandang i-display. So yeah, I think it's like the best way to display it with like lights at the background. Siguro lalo na yung mga uso ngayong ilaw na ano, mga RGB lights. I think it's really cool. Okay, so there you go. So lights on na tayo ulit. So I guess it's really one cool toys. Right, mga bossing, ano palagay nyo? If you really like, I can say, really Ultraman collectors, this is one that you must have. Something you're not gonna miss it because of, I think, because of the, yeah, it's the Sunset Glow edition. It's a very unusual edition, or color variation niya, right? So for height, we can confirm it if it's really that high. So around 8 inches. So around 8 inches siya. That's really cool. Really nice. Okay, there you go mga bossing. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out.
Got drunk off your lie, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't numb the pain, but this time I won't collapse like I did yesterday. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give it this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you're bad, but you're bad for me. I can't give it, I can't give it. I've already run with the wolves, far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you, I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side, I don't know. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today. Tú tienes la pócima para enloquecerme, pero voy a draw the line, que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sé que como un trofeo quieres tener.